Hello from Bugeye, guys. Tonight we have a special Twilight edition. The light is fading, but I wanted to take you for a drive in this Bugeye Sharpie, which is Bob Sharp's former Bugeye, which is kind of cool. I always followed Bob when Newman's racing was a big thing with the 240Zs or 280Zs in the 70s, and so it was really exciting for me to get Bob Sharp's actual Bugeye. He was like many car enthusiasts, he had a Bugeye when he was in high school, I believe, or college, and so he was happy to get another one as an adult, and then he sold this car to us. So this is his car, hence the name Sharpie. It's ours now, but we have it for sale. And this has now the new starter and choke knobs that we just added, which are the correct ones. There's more sorting to do. We just also changed a lot of the hydraulic parts and upgraded the brakes. But I see that the tack light is not working and the dash lights need a little bit of work. It's pretty common for us to have this problem, and this is very much in line with the sorting that we'll do. You can see it has a weak ground for the fuel light. I'm able to get it to come on, but that needs to be addressed so that you have a reliable fuel light. Now it's going to flash as it hits the ground. But in any event, that's a pretty easy thing to fix, but indicative of the kind of thing that we're always looking for on these cars, to try to make them really well sorted. Everybody's got a perfect Bugeye. When you get it in your driveway and it's new, that's when the gloss wears off and you realize there's sorting to do. So we're always working with our customers trying to get these cars really optimized, and this one I'm sure has a few things left for us to address, like the dash lights. Anyway, let's go for a drive, a Twilight drive, and see what you think. This is a 948 powered car with drum brakes. have it, Sharpie from Bugeye, guys. And just real quick, you see me in the drive pulling the choke, and this is richening the mixture by pulling it this far out. And if you go too far, obviously it runs rough, but when you have old fuel, and I'm assuming this is fuel that has been in there for a while because the car didn't really get driven a lot in the last few years, but you have old fuel and a cold engine, it's just starting to warm up. It tends to require a little bit more choke and a little more richness, and that's what you see me manipulating here in our drive to try to quiet some of the sputtering from a lean mixture. So fresh gas will help, I'm sure, and certainly a little bit more driving. And that's what we have this week here from Bugeye Guys.